To transfer crypto from Bybit to Revolut, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a Bybit and Revolut account, and that Revolut supports the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Start by logging into your Bybit account and navigating to the Assets page. Here, you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you hold on the platform. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the Withdraw button. You will then be prompted to enter the withdrawal address. To find this, log into your Revolut account and navigate to the Crypto section. Click on the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and select the option to add a new address. Revolut will generate a unique address for you to use. Copy this address and go back to your Bybit account. Paste the address into the withdrawal address field and enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure to check the withdrawal fee and the minimum withdrawal amount before confirming the transaction. Once you have entered all the details, click on the Confirm Withdrawal button. Bybit will then process the transaction and transfer the cryptocurrency to your Revolut account. Please note that the transfer may take some time to complete, depending on the blockchain network and the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Additionally, ensure that you are transferring the correct cryptocurrency to the correct address, as transactions are irreversible. By following these steps, you can easily transfer crypto from Bybit to Revolut. Always double-check the address and the amount before confirming the transaction to avoid any errors.